is my living female composer. She's from Cuba and currently lives in Spain. And this piece is a combination of those two cultures as well as her love for avant-garde music. And the most important thing about composing for her is to stay true to herself and to the integrity of the piece, whether that means that the audience understands what they're feeling or what they're hearing or not. Thank you. The poetic translation is as follows. Time is fierce and it reaches us. It always goes for the soul. Its shadow melts into nothing. In its steps we are locked. Steps that are always on a precipice or a wall, populated by loneliness. We are time. We are loneliness. We are a deception of the soul. The soul endures the art that carves it.